editing Yamaha from the future. Just wanted to preface this video by saying that the audio is pretty bad. There was a lot of wind noise this day when we filmed this, and I try to edit it out as best I could, but there's only so much I can do. So stay tuned. We also, in this video, are going to be talking about the next big project on the channel. And for those of you asking about the Knucklehead, I'm working on it. I got to save a little bit of money and buy all the parts that I need, but I have the list. And yeah, Knucklehead content will be coming soon. But enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. All right, we're back. 947 Works, welcome. We have a special guest today. Blue Boy's back.
I'm back.
He's back, baby. And right behind us here is something that I am so stoked about.
I'm so juiced.
And something that he's always wanted but has never had. He's ridden mine a handful of times and has been like, I want one.
Yep. I've had a lot of bikes, just not one of these.
Yeah. And he put a lot of miles on my old bike, and he loved it, right?
Love that bike.
And so I came across some crazy stuff, a bunch of parts, a bunch of bikes, and a bike that actually is going to be featured, a Panhead, 1958 Panhead. That's a barn find. I'm going to be bringing it back to the shop, getting it running, doing a will it run style video. But for now, we're going to introduce these two bikes that are our bikes from the same old man. Matching bikes, dude.
Matching barn find fucking bikes. It's crazy.
Let me flip you guys around. Whoa, look at that. What do you think, Blue?
It's insane. So who's, obviously, that's mine.
Yeah.
That one's Yama's.
Yep.
62.
It's a 62, 1968. And it's crazy because it has the black front end. We got high pipes with them. Freaking high shoulder wheels, hamburger drums, magnetos, all the things that you would want.
All, like, if I had to make a checklist of what I wanted for a pre-70 XLCH, it would be this bike.
It would be exactly this. And we were kind of talking about it, and Blue has his Niners color FXR.
Yeah, so my FXR is black with a gold pinstripe with red or black on the side, so it's Niners colors. This is orange with black, so this one is Giants colors. So I have two city themed bikes, which is kind of funny. It's kind of perfect.
And the coolest thing about this bike, the history behind it, is it was originally this guy in San Francisco back in '79, I believe. It was first registered to him. And sorry about all this noise.
Yeah, there's a lot of noise. The dude lived on 42nd in the Richmond, which is the first street I lived on when I moved to San Francisco.
With an Ironhead.
With an Ironhead when I moved here. Wasn't pre-70, but I did have an Ironhead when I lived here.
Yeah, that's crazy. So, yeah, we already kind of messed around. We changed the pipe, and Blue changed out a white seat to this black seat here. But, dude, so sick. And, I mean, I've been wanting an Ironhead since I got rid of my 68. And this thing is so perfect, dude. When I saw both of them, I knew I had to make a deal for them both. And yesterday, I called Blue and woke him up out of bed and was like, yo, dude, I'm buying you an Ironhead. Let's do this.
Yeah, I still can't believe I bought a 68 Ironhead from bed yesterday. That was pretty wild. You woke me up and I was like, I work graveyard now, so I wake up late. And I was like, you called me twice in a row. And I was like, what's up? All mad? And you were like, do you see my texts? And I was like, no. And I looked and I was like, oh man, I'm an asshole.
Yeah, so this is Blue's new bike and my new bike. So we're going to try and do like a will it run style video. Blue does need a few little parts and nuts and bolts, needs a generator, which you already have in the cart, right?
It's already in the cart.
Yeah, and probably a throttle cable, it looks like, a new carburetor, oil. We're just going to double check everything that it's there and works.
I'll have it running by midnight.
Probably a magneto kill switch, it looks like. And this is the first set of bikes that I've had with a mag freaking key, dude. Never owned a bike with a mag key.
That shit you can't like buy anymore, really.
Yeah, you can't. And so this is crazy. We wanted to introduce it to the channel. Like I said, we're going to do some will it run style videos, and I'm not sure how much of the build we're going to film of Blue's bike, because, I mean, are you going to leave it here at the shop, or are you bringing it home?
No, I'll leave it here.
Yeah.
It just don't need much. Like, once I order the parts for it, it'll just kind of be starting it and riding it. So I'm not going to change really anything yet. Till later.
It just needs some stuff to be buttoned up, basically. But these bikes have been sitting in a barn, or in a shed. I should call it the real thing. It's been in a shed.
Yeah.
Since I believe the guy got mine in 2007 and his in 2006. So what is that? Almost 20 years.
Yeah.
That's insane. These have just been sitting for 20 years.
They look like they don't have any miles on them. Like, they look brand new still.
They look brand new, yeah. And, you know, mine is an XLH, a 62 XLH, but it has all of the XLCH stuff. I need to measure the swing arm and see what the length of the swing arm is, but, I mean, it has the mag, it has the lunchbox oil bag, and not the turtle tank. I got the original turtle tank from it. That'll be for sale. But, dude, I'm so stoked.
I'm so juiced, dude. Thank you so much.
Of course. And I picked up some other bikes. While I was there, I picked up 2 pre-units, one for Joey, one for me.
Just cause.
Just cause. They were just such a good price. And the whole deal was that the son was actually selling this guy's like horde of bikes and parts, and the old man died and left the house and backyard and everything just covered in bikes, and the wife was just kind of like, she's an older lady and she was pretty over having her living room covered in bikes, so she wants her house back basically. And so I'm gonna actually post the Panhead, the Will It Run style video for the Panhead, and probably do a whole video about it. And if you guys want to buy it, it'll be for sale. Not sure the asking price yet, but I'm trying to get as much as I can for it to help them out. It's an all original 58, and that'll be in the next video. But yeah, I'm stoked. Final remarks, Blue.
Just juice. It's happy to be back in the game.
It's been a while.
It's been a minute.
Yeah. This is crazy.
This is wild. No, I literally... Oh, wait.
What?
No, I've literally been like... Me and you have been talking a lot about me building another bike, and I've just been like, man, I just kind of want an Ironhead.
Yeah.
Like, I just think it would be fun and easy, and I can, like, ride for the summer, and I'm still going to build another big twin, but I was just kind of like... I kept talking about it. I was like, I want to buy a bike for, like, cheap. Like, I just want a cheap Ironhead, super easy, and then this thing literally fell into my lap, which is wild.
It's exactly what you've been wanting. I mean, for like what? Like, you've been talking about getting an Ironhead for 4 years now?
More than that, since we met.
It's kind of the perfect bike for him. So yeah, this is it. Like I said, I have a bunch of parts for both of them that we can kind of like make our own bike out of. And
you know, for once, I'm not going to do the blue thing and make it all black, which will be nice.
It's pretty close. I mean, it has certain things.
It's already black where I want it to be.
Yeah,
so
exactly. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.
I don't know why I did that. I've never done a shaka in my entire life, and I just did that on camera right now.
Shaka,
what the fuck just came over me? Leave that in there.
That's so funny. But we'll keep you guys updated on this video, and we're super stoked. This is crazy. This is what dreams are made of right here.
This is why we do it.
That's why we do it. We'll see you later. Blue's back.